everyone. First of all, I'm going to teach you how to draw a pentagon and a pentagram. To do so, we first need to draw a circle, like so. And we're going to divide this circle into 5 parts. So grab your ruler and draw a horizontal line directly through the center. And place your point just on the edge of the line and the circle. Open it out to the other end of the circle. And once you've got that measurement, you're just going to draw a wee mark above and below. Place your compass point on the right side and draw another mark here and here. Grab your ruler and we're going to connect this point to this point. Keep your lines lighter than what I've done, nice and light. I'm just going to mark this top line as A and mark the bottom line as B. And we're going to place our compass point on the left side of the circle, meeting the line. And we're going to measure to the center point. I'm just going to go to where I drew the line. Ideally, the line should be directly through the center. Okay. So I'm going to make a mark here and here. And then we're going to connect these 2 points. Like so, and we're just going to draw a wee line here. That's point C. Place your compass point on C and measure up to A. Once you've got that measurement, you're just going to draw a wee line there. That's going to be point D. And then place your compass point on A. Open your compass to point D. It's only slightly more than what you had before. And then you're actually going to draw a whole arc. So it should pass directly through point D and go just outside of C. So it's coming very close to C, but if it's just outside of it, then you're on the right track. And now place your compass point on D. Close it to the center point of the circle. And then place your compass point on B. And just draw a wee small circle here. So I'll show you where all of our points are that we're focusing on. We're focusing on this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. All the other lines through the circle can be ignored. And now we're just going to connect these points for the pentagon. Just connect every single point like so. And there we have it. Feel free to erase all the messy parts and colour it in if you like.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can grow. Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
And now I will show you how to draw a pentagram. So you just need to follow all the steps I just taught you.
But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. God will change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive.
So once you've got that, all you need to do is connect the top point to the bottom right point, bottom left point to top point, and then we're going to connect this point to that point. Another way you can do it is just by thinking of connecting every second point.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you.
We're now going to learn how to draw 10-pointed shapes. And to do so, we need to divide the circle into 10 points. So we follow all the same steps that I just showed you, plus add 2 more. Okay, so we've got our 5 points now. And after you've done that small half a circle here at the bottom, keep the measurement of the compass the same and place the point on the top point of the circle and line, point A, and then just draw another little circle, half a circle, and then we're going to once again measure from that point to that point, A to D, and place the compass point on B there, and draw another circle like that. So now we do have our 10 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, ignore that, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to start by drawing a decagon, which is a shape with 10 sides. So nice and easy, all you need to do is connect every point within the circle's edge. Draw 3 different types of decagrams now, which are 10-pointed stars. So again, divide your circle into 10 points. And here we just connect every third point. 1, 2, 3. I just wanted to also point out that just be careful that you choose the right point, especially over here. That can be a bit confusing. So the one we're going for is this one, the one where we drew the 2 half circles. Not those ones. Those ones were just to get the point C there. So the last decagram we're going to draw is also very simple. It's just connecting every 4th point. So I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. So there we've got our pentagram, and then we're just drawing another pentagram.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Oopsie daisy, so there was one more decagram which I should have taught you prior to these 2 decagrams. So we'll just do that now. You just need to connect every 2nd point.
Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
And there you go. 3 decagrams as promised, plus 1 decagon. And also you learned today how to draw a pentagon and a pentagram. So I think that's enough for one class. Well done if you stayed until the end. Good job. And I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something new. And thank you for joining. I hope to see you again next class. Bye for now.